What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers, don't care what other people say. We live it like this could be our final day. We're dreamers, don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our own way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. Like you already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers. We're living. We're dreamers. We're doing this in our own way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. Oh, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. Tell me that you want me. I can see you want me by the look in your eyes. Tell me that you want me. I can see you want me by the look in your eyes. We come alive. We come alive. We come alive.
Hi, that was really dumb. I think she's super cute. I love making these dresses, trying to create something very feminine and pretty because, let's be honest, I've been working from home now for almost going on 2 years. There's nothing feminine and pretty about me during the day. I'm usually in pajamas, as you can see. No makeup, hair not done. Yeah, I might even stink, I don't know. I will link you to another video that you might enjoy. I will also post up here at the top so you can see the picture-in-picture of where I should have stopped and where I didn't, and the playlist of all the little dresses that I've made so far. So if you're interested in that content, you can watch it. So as always, please like, subscribe, comment below. If you got any color designs or dresses you'd like me to try, I'll give it a go. Send me a Pinterest looking thing and maybe I'll try it. Maybe you got yourself in a ball gown that you'd like me to recreate. I might make a mockery of you. Yeah, it may not turn out, it probably wouldn't turn out, but we could try. Why not try, right? Who cares? Ciao for now, until the next video, which will come up on the weekend. Have a great day, bye-bye.
Nighttime is something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you